Hi guys, Chara here. Welcome back to my channel. So as I promised, this is the video of how to make repotting of lucky bamboo. Last time in the last video I already made the cutting propagation of lucky bamboo, and this is the rest, and all of this plant, maybe 6 of the stem, I am gonna combine in one big pot. Oh my god, this one is really big. Yes, because this pot is very small and cannot support this lucky bamboo anymore, because as you can see here, see the plant is like leaning to the totally to the other side, and like on the top is kind of heavy, and it is very tall for this small pot. So that I am gonna change to this big pot, and I want to combine these two in one big pot. All right, so let's get started. So this time I'm gonna use the glove. One of my viewer suggests me to use the gardening gloves, but today I'm just gonna use a plastic glove, because he say that in the like a potting soil has a lot of chemical in it and they can cause deathly. So thank you so much for giving me a good advice to protect myself, so that thank you so much. I use some gravel. This is for nothing reason, just to decorate the plant. So I am just gonna gently, this soil is extremely dry now. I did that in purpose so that I can just do the potting like a process easily without messing it a lot. Okay, wow, this is very like a very good root bound inside. I can feel it because it's kind of difficult to grab it out. So maybe I will just do like this. Oops, sorry. Okay, wow, look at here. Okay, and I can just remove all the gravel first. Wow, look at this root out. This is so crazy. Yeah, it is about 9 months. We potted in this, grow in this pot. It is about 9 months, and look at the root bound within 9 months. They are so crazy. Wow. Yes. So I will just remove all of this soil, nice and gently. This is the cutting. Do you see here? This is the cutting. Doesn't happen anything, and all the root is coming from the joint. Do you see here? That is the reason why when you make a cutting, always make sure that there is one joint. Yeah, so I'm finished with one pot, and this is the another pot, and look at here, it is same, very cool root bound. Oh, this one. Do you see here? I used the yellow sticker to trap all the insert gnick, or it's called gnick. Yeah, this yellow stick trap is very good. I'm gonna use it for here later. So that. Okay, cool. I'm gonna grow them, 6 of them in the same pot. All right, so let me just bring. So I will just start to grow one by one like this. All right, and maybe a little bit closer to each other. Okay, all right, guys. So I am done. I try to make try to stand them as much as I can, but the top is, look, still they are very heavy. They are very tall, so that it's not very easy to make them, like straight up. But just fill the soil a lot, and then beside here, and then make them stand. All right, so I think this is finished. And I don't want to water right now, because if I water right now, the soil gonna be loose, and they will just fall back. So I will just leave it like that, and maybe I will water in a few 1 or 2 days. Okay, is it cool? I think it is look really cool. Yeah, that's it. There you go. It's really heavy. Look at my arms. So I am gonna combine these three in one pot, right? So maybe I will use this pot, okay, and this. So I'm gonna use the normal soil again. This is his guide, repotting lucky bamboo. Incredibly easy. All you have to do is just remove all the old soil and grow them in the new pot with that normal potting soil, and water them once a week or once in 10 days. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you like it, do not forget to thumbs up and subscribe my channel. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and see you next time. Bye bye.